Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can change your password on your Bybit account. So first of all, open up the Bybit application on your mobile device and then make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen and from the menu, click on the gear button at the top right. This will bring up the settings menu. From the settings menu, tap on security. Under security, tap on change password. On the next page, type in your old or the current password you are using for Bybit in the first tab, and on the next field, enter your new password you are trying to change to. Finally, after you are done setting your password, click on confirm. And that's how you easily change your password. Next time while logging in using email option or your phone number option, type down the correct password, which means the new password that you just updated to, and then tap on login now. And that's how you easily change your password on Bybit app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.